Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty: Roads to Victory in PPSSPP. First, you will need to download the PPSSPP emulator, which is available for various platforms like Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac OS. Next, legally acquire the Call of Duty: Roads to Victory ISO file. Once you have both, install the emulator and place the game file in an easily accessible folder. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless gaming experience, ensuring all components are ready to go. To get the best experience, let's fine-tune your PPSSPP settings. Navigate to the graphics menu. Here, set the rendering mode to buffered rendering for improved visual fidelity. For smoother gameplay, consider setting frame skip to off or 1. Also, enable hardware transform and software skinning under the performance section. Increasing the rendering resolution to 2x PSP often provides a much clearer image without significant performance drops on most modern devices. Now, let's talk about controls and gameplay. If you are on a mobile device, you can customize the on-screen touch controls to fit your preference, adjusting size and placement. For a more authentic experience, connecting an external gamepad is highly recommended. The virtual analog stick provides precise movement, while the action buttons handle shooting and other commands. Spend some time in the game's initial missions to get a feel for the controls and aiming mechanics. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. If you experience lag, try reducing the rendering resolution to 1x PSP or disabling some post-processing effects. For any audio problems, verify both the PPSSPP sound settings and your device's volume. Always ensure your PPSSPP emulator is updated to the latest version, as this often includes crucial bug fixes. A simple restart of the emulator or your device can also resolve many minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.